My name is Simisola
Badwell,
and welcome to
another episode of Kitchen
Gurus. Kitchen Gurus. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be chilling with you guys, taking you guys through my day, and just basically sharing with you how I'm gonna be spending Easter. I know this is like a different type of Easter, but like let's see the positive in our current situation. I'm Christian, so Easter for us means more than just like Easter bunnies and Easter eggs. It's actually Jesus dying on the cross and, you know, nailing all our sins to the cross. So today you're hanging out with me and my boo, and yes, I'll be cooking with you guys. Get ready, let's go upstairs, let's cook. I realized that once I don't get up, dress up, I never really feel myself, you know, like I feel like my day just drags. So I usually just do this technique. It's nothing major. So do you guys want to see an everyday makeup look? If you do, leave a comment below. This is what I've been doing every day. And then lip gloss is a must for me. One of the ways that I just keep saying is just spending time with myself doing all of this. Because I feel like looking cute. Like maybe I should make tonight like date night. Should I make it a date night? Indoors? Yes. So I am dressed and I'm wearing this super cute like play suit. I've been wearing loads of play suits at home, and yes, I'm just going to head upstairs and cook. So I'm gonna be spicing my chicken. I have my chicken already washed here, and then I have my spices here. So what I like to do is I start off with a bowl, and in this bowl I literally just put all my spices in here. And what I like to do is marinate my chicken way beforehand. So in here I already have my paste. I have Maggi, I have oregano, I have parsley, thyme, and a few other spices in here. I'm just going in with a brush.
Hello.
Hey!
How are you guys doing?
I gave him this dope haircut. So guys, we are going to be making coconut rice because I love coconut rice. My mom makes the best coconut rice, so you can.
My mom actually does.
Yeah, my mom actually makes the best coconut rice. So we are basically prepping our food because I mean we just like to prep food before we actually start cooking, just so that like cooking will be easier. And if I'm being honest, Solu is actually a better cook than I am. Well, not for everything.
For a lot of things, but I mean,
wow.
We will not be discussing this today.
We will not be discussing private matters on a public platform.
Are we using all these onions?
Okay, so we're making coconut rice, and then we're making like a sauce and then some salad. So I feel like between all those things, we need a lot of onions. But when it comes to like chopping onions, I think I did a better job because your onions just look. Can you see that? Beautifully laid out, beautifully cut, like very slim, same size.
This is the Gordon Ramsay way of cutting onions.
So no, this can never be. Can you see this one? So fat and.
Because when you fry it, what happens is this thing becomes part of the onions. Don't disappear. Your onions are going to disappear, darling.
Like, he's so big. You cut yourself. Let me see. Shit, sorry. So Tolu just literally cut himself. But yeah, it's nothing crazy. We just got this new knife and it's so sharp. So yesterday that was me. I cut myself everywhere. He's just going to put plaster now. I'll just continue chopping the onions. I am also parboiling the rice. I'll show you guys that in a second. Guys, so I haven't made coconut rice in such a long time. I'm going to call my mom.
Hello.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I'm making coconut rice. What do I so I already have the coconut milk. So the rice is already parboiled.
You know what now? Put onion, one full onion.
I've done that.
Blend it. Have you put it inside the milk?
No, should I blend it?
Blend it and put it inside the milk first.
Oh, okay. So then when that is cooking, then what happens?
You put Maggi sauce and then you put the rice.
Okay, so
let the sauce thicken, baby. Let it thicken before you put.
Okay, so let me just go right. When I'm boiling the milk, then I put the blended onions, then I put Maggi, then
yes.
I put the rice. Then let it thicken,
yes.
then I put the rice.
Let the sauce thicken before you put the rice.
Alright, thank you.
Rice is already parboiled, then that's it.
Yeah.
That's how you can post some.
I know. Alright, bye. Thank
Bye.
you. Yeah. Moms are the best. It's my chicken that I marinated. I showed you guys that. I'm just going to pop this in the oven. In this pot, I already have my coconut milk boiling. I have blended onions. I also have garlic. And now I'm going to go straight into seasoning. Now for this coconut rice, I usually love to use the Maggi chicken and the Maggi crayfish. So the reason why I like to use both is I want that chicken like flavor, and I also want like the crayfish flavor. It's quite weird. Don't judge me, but yeah, that's what I do. And I really like Maggi because the aroma and the flavor is just amazing. It also has additional salt, so I don't really go straight into salt. I use salt at the end. So I'm just gonna stir that and then taste it. Never, so I know it tastes so good. It tastes so yummy. It smells so good. Like in this bowl, I already have parboiled jasmine rice. I'm gonna put that in the coconut milk and just let that cook together, you know what I mean? So while I'm waiting for the coconut rice to cook, my chicken is ready and it looks, this is what my mom calls golden brown. It looks so yummy. I'm just gonna taste it because I can't wait. Chicken is well seasoned, tastes yummy, and it's so like soft. Trust me, you wish you were here right now. The point of this video is for you guys to be able to cook with me. Cook at home, for Easter, with your family, with your friends. Indoors, of course, so only if your friend is in your house and you guys live together. So I have a bowl of coconut rice, sauce, like some tomato sauce, bowl of salad, and chicken. Yes! In Jesus' name, thank you, Father, for this food. Provide for those that do not have, and make this food nourishing to our body in Jesus' name.
Amen.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Cook With Me Easter edition. I hope you can cook with your family at home and just enjoy some quality time. It's my first time cooking on my channel, so yes, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please thumbs up to this video. If you want to see more lifestyle videos, let me know in the comment below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be sure to see you in my next video. Have a beautiful Easter. I'm waiting for it to tell me, to give me like, tell me what.
How good is the rice? How can you do this to me in front of my subscribers? It's not like I can't cook. I hate you!
Very nice. Maybe I should taste the chicken. Try that chicken, but very nice.
But taste the chicken.